Kilmore Group specialise in the design, construction and delivery of architectural facade systems. We are ISO 9001 and ISO 45001 compliant. As a small company, investing in ISO certification has been fundamental in giving our clients the assurance that they have engaged a competent and diligent company to deliver their facade package. We believe building good working relationships with our clients is important to our success. We spend a lot of time getting to know our clients' expectations and set out to exceed those expectations to make their life easier.
Kilmore spend the time up front planning the job, making sure all the policies and procedures are in place, health and safety is looked at. I'll definitely work with Kilmore in the future. Kilmore are our first choice for any reclad or new cladding works in the city or the Perth metro area.
We operate from our facilities here in Osborne Park. We have a 650 square metre workshop facility housing 2 tactile CNC routers. So we use an array of different materials here at Kilmore. They can range from traditional SCPs to non-combustible SCPs, including G2 as well as solid aluminium. We also fabricate louvers here at our facilities, as well as perforated screens and pre-finished CFCs. We use our CNC router machines to process CFC material. It allows us the capabilities to etch and perforate CFC pre-finished panels.
The main strengths I found with Kilmore is they've come to the table with a good product offer, a varied range of products. They've hit those targets as and when we've requested, and the quality of what they do is above industry standard. If another job arose with this or another type of cladding system, I think it would be strongly considered for any of our jobs, not just individual PMs, but throughout the business.
Our in-house design team uses the latest 3D modelling software to design and model complex assemblies. Having this capability has allowed us to conceptualise value engineering options for our clients at tender stage. More recently, we have developed our capabilities to focus on modular construction, where we can increase productivity and quality whilst reducing the need for high-risk activities on site. We currently have 30 members of staff. We hire an array of different skilled people, ranging from welders to carpenters to tradies assistants to drafters to engineers to HSEQ officers. Our teams service the construction industry in WA, mostly based around the Perth metropolitan area, but we've also picked up some work in Geraldton and Margaret River and further afield.